Do you know what the number two search engine is? It's not Bing. It's not Yahoo. I was surprised to hear this morning on Neil Patel's daily podcast that it's YouTube. And I never think of YouTube as a search engine. I've just used it as a place to, post videos of students and recitals and performances of my students on our YouTube channel. But coming or approaching your YouTube channel as the way you would think about Google really changes everything. Which, the first thing you got to think about then is keyword optimization, and using keywords that are really are gonna attract the traffic that you want. Google, my website, I'm always thinking about, finding those right keywords. Music lessons in St. Louis, group music classes for children. But with YouTube, I haven't taken that approach. So Neil Patel was saying that, let me pull this up here. Here's a few notes I have. He was saying how a video is the number one way to get your message out there to your community, and also to reinforce certain messages to your current students. And then podcasting would be number two, and text, whether it be text on your website or through a blog, is the third most effective way of getting your message out there. Video, it's so easy to do. It's not a huge time commitment, and we're always making videos of our students. A couple tools that he talks about. One is called Rev.com, which you can use to transcribe the audio in the video if you've got someone talking, and you can transcribe the video and put the text on the video, so that if someone's scrolling through, let's say, a Facebook feed, even if they don't click on the audio, they can at least see what the people are talking about. And BitIQ is a good website for identifying the optimal keywords for your website, for Facebook, and for YouTube as well. Another thing they pointed out is that you want to, when you make a video, to take that raw footage and upload it into each social media platform, as opposed to just copying it. So really it's given me some new ideas and some new thoughts about how to better use YouTube to promote my music school, and to not so much from a keyword standpoint, but also from the standpoint of the content that I'm going to put up on my YouTube channel. So check it out. If you just Google Neil Patel, you'll find his. If you go to blog, you'll see. If you look at today's date, which is September 20th, you'll see his podcast regarding this topic.